So welcome to the video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the reporting to stakeholders. So the contents of this video are, we'll be discussing about the role and value of integrated reporting, the 6 capitals of integrated reporting, what is social and environmental footprints, what is environmental reporting. So we'll be also discussing about the triple bottom line reporting, audit of integrated reports, and we will discuss about ISO 14000. So first we will see about what is this integrated reporting is. So integrated reporting is to explain how an organization creates value over time and demonstrates the linkage between strategy, governance and financial performance and the social, environmental, economic context within which it operates. So an integrated reporting is nothing but an annual report, but this integrated reporting is different from a normal annual report, because in a normal annual report, companies usually discuss about their financial performance and a little bit about their strategy, a little bit about their governance, and here and there they might give you some information or very little information about social information. So predominantly, an annual report is a tool of financial performance which describes the financial performance of a company. But integrated reporting tries to take the annual report further in terms of this integrated annual report gives you more information about the company's strategy, its outlook about the environment, its governance structures, its financial performance, how it deals with the social improvement, what is its environmental stand and how it is being measured, and it tells a lot of information to the users of annual reports. So a user of an annual report are predominantly shareholders, but this kind of an annual report is actually aimed for a much more broad-based stakeholders. So the people who are using this kind of integrated annual reports can be customers, suppliers, shareholders, financiers, lenders, even pressure groups like environmental pressure groups, governments. So this kind of an integrated reporting is actually for a wider set of audience than when compared to a normal annual report which is focused only for the shareholders. So by making these connections, an organization should be able to take more sustainable decisions, helping to ensure effective allocation of scarce resources. So what they tell, if a company focuses only on the financial performance of the business, then they might do some harm to the social or to the environmental, or they might try to make money by not having a proper kind of a governance structure, or they try to make money in the short term. Okay, they use a short term strategy to make money, but in the long term they might suffer. But so a normal annual report focuses only on the financial performance, but it leaves the other variables or other parts of the equation. But an integrated report takes that the company should focus on a holistic development. So it's not only about the financial performance, but a broad-based performance across all these factors. So this picture summarizes what is integrated reporting is. Under this huge umbrella, we get parts of financial statements, management commentary, governance reports, environmental and social impacts, and corporate communication. I strongly urge you to Google out ACCA's integrated reporting, where you will see a very good integrated reporting structure which discusses about the performance of the company on a broad-based scale. So you will see all these in the integrated annual report of ACCA. So there is something called as a capital which is being used in the integrated reporting. So what is capital? See, capital is the company gets input from in various forms. So it gets financial capital, it gets manufactured capital, intellectual capital, human, social relationship, and natural capital. So these are the inputs which goes into the company. The company churns out the value, it creates a value, and it also gives the outcome. The outcome are very similar to the inputs. So it gives financial benefits, it gives manufactured products, it gives intellectual property rights, it gives better human skills, it gives socially, it improves the welfare of people, and it also helps the nature. as per our exams, we are not usually concerned about the outcome part of the integrated reporting. In an exam, we are actually concerned with the input part of the integrated reporting. So we will see these capitals in much more detail. So integrated reporting is designed to make visible the capitals on which the organization depends, how the organization uses those capitals and its impact on them. So it gets various types of capital. What are them? Okay, what are those capitals and how they are integrated? So we'll start from the financial. So financial refers to the funding part of the company. So funds available for use in production. It can be financed, or it can be even generated through operations. So usually it is a monetary part of the capital. Manufacture is manufactured physical objects used in production or service. So it can be building equipments and infrastructure. Intellectual capital is what are the intellectual capitals required for production of the products or the creation of value by the company. It can be intangible, such as patents, copyrights, software, rights, licenses, even there's something called the tacit knowledge, systems, procedures, and protocols. So these are like invisible part of the system. We have human system. Humans are also a part of the company. So the employees' skills, experience, motivation, their alignment and support with the organization, and the value the company stands for, the ability to understand and implement an organization strategies, loyalties, and motivation for improvement. Usually it focuses on the human or employee part of the company, because employees are capital of the company. So social and relationship. So the company does not operate in a isolation where it is like differentiated from the society. A company is part of the society, and the company also uses the society's capital. Okay, so what they tell in terms of society's capital: institutions and relationships within and between communities, groups of stakeholders, and other networks, and the ability to share information to enhance well-being. So it's actually related to the corporate social responsibility. The company gets certain capitals from the society in terms of social license to operate. The local community gives a license for the company to operate. When a society gives an approval to a company to operate in a local area, that we can call as a social capital. So to maintain the social capital, the company has to do CSR. We have natural. So natural is like very easy. Air, water, minerals, and forests, biodiversity, ecosystem, and health. So usually the natural environment which the company takes and uses. So these are the capitals of integrated reporting. So you, in a question, you might be given a lot of data. Your job is to split that entire information according to the 6 capitals, and you have to write under each heading.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.